Now be here achoroka Ogechi Okeke Njaka mee before. But all the akane mebu I will see yamba. Na anyị chani ne bụ ndị Igbo. Enwere na-emegbu Igbo ya, enwere na-egbu ibi and Maryam Justice abụrụ na-egbu mmadụ. Maryam Justice egbu no mmadụ before. So si ihe ọsị Ogechi bụ nne emezina ihe anụwa akparịzina ndị Igbo. Ọ bụrụ sọsọ nya nwasị akparịzina ya no. Na akparịzina ndị Igbo. Ọ gwụchara ihe ọ yọrọ. Now, Ogechi Okeke Njaka, enwere onye na-egbu ga-egbu, enwere onye sị gị na gị emene anything more, you know? Ihe asị gị bụ just bịa na police station. Ị bịa na police station, emere unu udo, ewere akwụkwọ gị, paspọtụ gị, phone gị, ring gị, nyechi ya gị. You need the shorty, you don't need the lawyer. So see you need it. When you come to the police station, you sign ya na ịma mkparịsị ndị Igbo again. Ọ gwụchara ihe dị ụmụanụ sị gị mee. Enwere na-egbu gị egbu. Enwere onye sị gị abịa na. Enwere onye sị gị na anya eme gị arrest. Enwere onye sị gị na anya atụ gị nga. Only but ihe asị gị bụ come to police station and they put your hand in the paper. And they said na ịma mkparịsị ndị Igbo. Case closed. And then your passport. Maybe your wedding diamond ring, maybe every of your belongings. So, for some reason, I didn't make peace na phone. I didn't make peace na Facebook. Ever na make peace you, ever kwesi make peace. When you go to police station, the police are jogo. Nnekedi nese, unekuo. Ngba akparizi n'onya. Chikina, ijebere onwe gị. Maryam Justice ejebere onwe ya. Just go to police station. I didn't make peace na Facebook. No. I didn't make peace na Facebook. I didn't make peace to authority because okwu aga go far. I want to say na ye bugebu. Okay, she don't need to go to police station with any shorty. What you need to do is this: go to police station, put your hand on the paper, then map again. Maparizi ndị Igbo again. Chikina, Oguna, and ga walking about America this way another. This is what I think I have to tell you. And in propaganda. And kuna no. Enwere na-atụ Ogechi nga, enwere na-akpụrụ Ogechi akpọchi, enwere na-akpụrụ Ogechi police. Just go to police station and they settle with Maryam Justice. Chikina. Enwere ye egbu ga-egbu. You don't need the lawyer. You don't need the police. You don't need evidence. You don't need the witness. Just kunu mee udo. Ono na agaworo onwe ya. Ị gaboro onwe gị, Maryam Justice agaboro onwe ya. Enwekwa ndị ọzọ gị na ha ji okwu. Ọ na-akaba arụ na setụrụ, ono na emegene, agbawa door. So stop why na me na Facebook. Agamayo. Maryam Justice nwanne nwanyị sister Maryam Justice. No. All those things he doesn't need it. I don't know so karịsị nke anyị. Yeah, Chineke nna. Ọ karịsị akwa. Ọ karịsị ya. Go to police station and they make your peace. That is all. Once you go to police station, you know, you guys will settle amicably. But for Maryam Justice's own, I'll wait to answer because I went to police station today and I didn't see much talk. No. What they are saying is for peace to reign between you and the Maryam Justice. It's not up to 2 or 3 hours. I think by 2 o'clock. Can't wear better. Heal as a Kazuli to Chake. J. Obinku now. Eben Obinku can know here. Say, can watch wine. No matter cancer when we're bro. And another today when you correct here. Biko, our followers. I am not here to fight anybody. And I am not here to have issue with anybody. And I am not here to disrespect anybody. And I am not here to insult anybody. But I am here to make sure that Ndi Igbo nwere onwe ha. And I am here to make sure that ọrụ anyị na-arụ n'eziokwu na-adị na ya and mmụọ na mmadụ na-anụ ya. Now, actually, may correct one impression. I believe na I ain't chatting never madu. And so na natural problem. You people, some of you knows me in real life. Some of you knows me from distance. Abromo kunuka. Abromo ena like okunuka. Some here na happen on Facebook. Sometime I dey see am, you know, just that I'm a hot temper person. But I don't like to disrespect anybody. I want to correct this. Please, if you want to give me, I cancel it. Any gift, any money, anything, please ask me for my phone number or write to my inbox. I don't want to be putting my account number or telling everybody, give me money or do this or do that. I have to put stop on it. If any gift, if anything you want to give to me, please write to my inbox. If you don't have my phone number, you can ask me, cancel it. Give me your phone number. Whatever you want to tell me, any advice you want to give me, any gift you want to give me, whatever you want to say, please, anything gift or money or whatever, or whatever, tear the charge card, or whatever, go to money, or whatever, bawa fuel, nehon de men Nigeria, or whatever, menka, please, I want it to remain inside. I don't want to have issue with anybody again. I am here to say sorry to everybody that feel offended. Maybe some people have seen it, that money is involved, people are fighting for money, or we are fighting for money. No, I am not fighting for money. I did not come here for money. Right from time, most of you guys knows me. Right from time, you knows me. I did not come for Facebook for money. I come for Facebook to make sure that I bet I'm here for money. Now, sometimes mistakenly, I will say it mistakenly. I will come here and say, go any money, go here. No, I want to put stop on it. Because starting anime maybe as a joke, I didn't take serious about it. But I want to put stop on it from today. Whatever you see in me, maybe I wrong you in any way, I am here to say sorry. Knowingly or unknowingly, I am sorry. Maybe I said a words that makes you to feel offended. I am deeply sorry. I am here for a purpose, and I am here for a mission. I am not here for money. I have spent in Nigeria for 2 years plus. I never feel bad. I don't know other people, and I can still stay in Nigeria for 10 years more, and I don't think heaven will see me without be blessing me. It's not easy to be in Nigeria. It's not easy. This is 2 years plus. Probably no, 3 years. And I'm in Nigeria here. Not that I don't want to travel. But I feel like to be with my darling wife, to establish my business, to make sure that I put some things in order. This is my first time being in Nigeria for 2 years. Other ones, so one month and 2 weeks or 2 months, I will go back. But I said I want to be with my wife. I have lived in all overseas, both Malaysia and the Turkey, not less than 12, 13, 14 years. And I don't see a reason why just will have my problem. I want to establish to Nigeria and they settle down. If I want to travel any country, I will travel on my own time. So Nigeria is where we are. And there's some people that are based in overseas knows exactly how hard Nigeria is. But we are here by the grace of Almighty God. We are here for the grace of Almighty Okeke. But I am not here for money. I am not here for money. I am telling you people, I am here not for money. I am here to make sure that some certain things put on hold and they put on stopped. Some people will be saying, but if you check it, I don't know if most of people that is saying that can say in Nigeria for 6 months that will sell off their property, that will sell their car, that will sell everything. But I have never sold a single dime. What is the thing showing you? I am here to make sure that some things get to the right place. And I'm here for some insult given to Igbo to stop. If I am here for money, let God judge me. I am not here for money. I have been to Nigeria more than 9 times. For the past 13, 14 years, I stayed in overseas. I traveled to Nigeria for good 9 times. Both coming back and going out. 9 good times. So I don't think money or anything will stop me from saying the truth. I am nothing. So please, from today is Monday, whatever you want to give to Kinsley, write to me inbox. And another thing that I want to say here, if you are among bringing that propaganda, because some people are good for propaganda, some people will never give you money, but they will go inbox and say, I give this person money to give you. That is not good. Nobody have ever given me money to give anybody and I did not give it. It is only Uge Benaja that gave me 30,000 one day, na December, and I deliver it to Akaroko. Sarah give me 30,000 naira to give to Mirabel, and I deliver it. Comfort Ibechuku give me 300,000 to give Akaroko 100,000, Chibu 100,000, me 100,000, and I deliver it, and they come online. Another woman from America give 200,000 to me and Akaroko, and I deliver it. When we are in Abuja here, another woman put 200,000 naira for me and Akaroko, and I deliver it, and all of them confirmed it. There have never anybody that gave me money to give to Oriako or give to Jinjin Venza. There have never anybody. Apart from Akaroko and the Mirabel, which I did it. So I am here to say, please, I don't want to be talking about money any longer. I am here to make peace to reign. I don't want to fight woman. I don't want to fight anybody. I don't want to fight any man. I am here in Nigeria. By the grace of Okeke Abiyama, I then marriage and I survive with my family. I am not here for money. So please, I am sorry for calling the donor, but why I mention them is past tense money that gave to me. Because some people might be thinking, nobody has given me money to give anybody. So I am here to say, please, any gift you want to give to me, let it be inside. If you write to me, if I didn't respond to you, if you have my number, request for it, I will give you my number. If you have my number, write me a message. But anything, put accounts or ask them for money, I don't think it will happen again. From my own side, I am not saying for any other body. I'm saying for my own self. For other one that's happened, I am deeply sorry for any damage it have caused for you. I am deeply sorry for saying put money here, put money here, give money for everything, or give money for this. From today, I am never. I'm deeply sorry. So, remain blessed to you all. They can see when they cool. I cannot come on in or here. I want you to reflect. Yes. One neighbor say yes. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate. I cannot request, yeah. Now, I believe in ya be na mgbede abuka. I go 191. Go to to police station. Go me peace. Any passport ya kona chie. Ode bawa kwa number. Chiwa kwa ni ya phone eri. Yeah. Ngozi obodo. Everything I have fixed in order. Everything I have. And what I'm on no needle. Okay. There would what I see. What do you mean by Ogechi and the Justice Peace have come to stay? Peace will come to stay now. No. And what I name we be here? The chose the Kokari Sokari, why you am Konawa? And you need a passport, ya Konawa. Oh, Jana police station, Jana Maryam Justice, etc. You enter a Budochia. So what the others say, pass me my account number. I had to change the account number or whatever you want to do. Write my impulse. I will be fine. So okay, chiketara biko. Ebu benemebu It's a 900 pano here. Look what's everything. I have everything. I say, you must now. Yet your capis, no. Kana Maryam Justice Kahame Udo. Gone over the Gaborong here. Any passport, yeah. No. Ngozi Emenemon follow. No, I'm not putting any account now. I said it. Yes, I got me a name boss. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Appointment able.
Adam Mwa.
Can they feel a puma capisi? Sequa can feel you.
I cannot connect.
Appointment able. Why?
Ava.
Pedema.
Na Kudochi anụnụ ka Ogechi Okeke Njaka ka ọ na one. Just
Ekwueme. Okwu ikwu kwụ ọtọ.
daalụ.
Afọ m ka nwanne anyị nwanyị si ebe akwa for forgiveness. You can mean. So, man, obi na bed. No, see that somebody to nyele alu a. Because I don't like it. Somebody deceive somebody. Man, onye to nyele alu a. Area good advice. Aim the real thing. So because na ibu ndị Igbo. And then I apụ ịnụ ọgụ dịka nwanne. Yela ka nkọwala Ogechi the right thing to do and ka Ogechi wee mmịa ka peace enuo. Because Maryam Justice is not fighting for herself. No onye sịkwanụ ka ọ kpọọ polisi mgbe na-akpali ya na-akpali ụmụnne ya. Ihe ọ na-akpọlụ polisi bụ ka udo wee dị ka ịfụ na Maryam Justice from the beginning was looking for peace. So if you na-adị pụta isi na nwe ndị chi igbu gị bụ ya Maryam Justice n'isi ọbara ulu na ị na-ekwu ya onye ọ na-egbu egbu na-agbagalụ n'obi ndị eke je desi ike for refuge. Asị ka nna asị.
My brother.
Onye a na-egbu egbu na-eje n'obi ndị eke si anyị ya sport. Ị na-ege ntị? Ekwueme onwe na-ebu cement ebe ahụ.
A na-eme offload mmanya. Ọ na obi nkwụ ka njeri ha abụọ nọ na be m ka nọ obi nkwụ ka nọ.
Okay. So ife na-ekwu bụ that na otu a forgiveness bịaba ga-ege eshi n'obi. Ana ama m na
ebe mkpọtụ na-adọrọ ka m gaa the other side.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Akwai na ọfụma?
Yes, ọ dịgo now.
Si ebe forgiveness bịaba ga-oge eshi n'obi na mmụọ Chineke abatago ya n'ime.
Yes.
This thing is very simple. Very simple. Forgiveness or your Maryam Justice na live video is just to water the ground. No kwesị imeluzi ife a n'isi. Ọgbọ Maryam Justice eyotago. Ma ọ jee n'obi ndị eke akpọ Maryam Justice. N'ọkụ ya bụ okwu mụ na gị na-ekwusi isi na-achọkwa n'igbu nwatakịrị egbu. Apụta na ndị eke akpọ ya Maryam Justice abịa ọsịa nne sorry. Ya biko. Ya gbaghara ya. Onwe ife ọbụla mme gị. Because Ndeke will always give room for you people to settle. Opposite nu na settle. Ndeka si okay ka ejebezie court no nwere ihe ha ga-emenwu. So Maryam Justice have been giving you the olive branch for peace for long time. Another peace could na-akpọ intimidation. Because no afụrụ ka mmadụ ga-esi wee na-asị gị o jide gị na ọka esi na eche ije beria ọ rapụ gị ngwa jee ka emezie peace a esikesi intimidation ndị ya gị nwapụtakwa sị na ndị nwa na-alụnye gị aka n'ike na ndị nwa na-alụnye gị amụ n'ike na ndị nwa na-emolest gị gị nwapụtakwa sị na ndị a na-enye gị presidential treatment gịnị nwa treatment. The best thing you get for peace abụrụ nọ n'elu bed na-eme video. Maryam Justice have initiated the peace is for you to come. Because ọ bụrụ na Maryam Justice pụta na asị gị na ọgbọ alụgo gị for example now. Don't you know na ihe ndị polisi na-alụ bụ office work, and office work is all about documentation.
Of course.
Police need to document it. Adoka the case file. Tomorrow, Madam Shewe, they have to write it down that these two people have settled. Because open a police handle the former, I can wake up tomorrow and go and sue the police. So the third party here is police. They must be involved. Onye can before no more he need the just onye ga-ebe the police must require say ka ebe elu there was never a big deal in inviting you. Look at Showore. Showore went to FCID today.
Okay.
Bail. Or see no like the condition in police is when you bail. No ga no say there had charge to court.
And in case we done it, but again I no bag na so be court at the charge bail.
Any bail no no see bail goes to be Darlington.
And they try to we call do maka na for nanya.
Nigeria and police has been reformed. So Maryam Biko is a good ground. This is just a defamation of character.
This morning can the police station. I saw Suore na force headquarter. No to go. Come here the before it was everyone asked now.
When you bail, also not chorus bail on the police. Not just in there. These things are very simple. You did not commit, according to you, did not commit murder. According to you, they want to kill you. Why will you allow people to kill you where you have safe haven to stay?
Simple.
What we say, Madam Shewu Biko now? Yes, it's good. At least your anya, your kueta, always. Down. He said they are dedicated. The next thing is Ibia, so that they will do the paperwork, because when they had this is office work. It's all about paper, biro, and paper. They have to put it in writing.
Put to Ogechi to problem. Allow her to go and settle with the woman at the police station.
Who will kill her? Before you jail somebody, I'm not a lawyer. You have to prove beyond reasonable doubt.
Of course.
Even Ogechi na Maryam Shewu, or just like Speed Darlington and is defamation.
Of course.
Oyota the woman, Biko. Oyota the woman. Oyota the woman, Biko. Police will not take it to court. They will settle it there. It will be official. Kezia Bosi the next. Once it's official, police will not have any other option than to give her belongings. She will go and begin to deal with her problems. Obu not from buy or naba befa. Obu not buy. Maybe real estate. Maybe real estate. One year working. Fine.
It's a good not was since na peace was no be. Peace.
Ihe na-ekwu bụ na anyị ncha bụ ndị Igbo, ọ na-ekwu eme.
Na ya ba udo dị mma.
Ọ dịrị nwoke na mma, ọ dịrị nwaanyị na mma.
I can't get police station town. And when I attend the wrong. So I am saying Ogechi. You say I don't know what you are looking from my hand. I am telling you, it's not about the truth. Kudochia. Go to police station and make peace. Let peace reign. In a told me no. Come on and now back at now or call to bam.
Ngozi obodo why nke Ijele ji wee dị different bụ na Ijele never made peace. Ogechi make a peace is very simple. You gotta go. At least the woman, they will settle it before it gets to court. Oyana problem Ogechi. When problem is an infant stage, she will refuse to apologize. And I think it's not too late to apologize. Man, apology enu bed.
And double apology na si dem as kanta.
Emma, Elena. It does not more inconsequential here. Onye na-enwe problem bụ Mariam Shehu, and I have no impute. Let her go and settle with the woman. Jee park afọ nsị gọbana eziokwu anya mkpọ kesịrị nwoke ahụ mmiri orida onye intelligent onye oshi. All of us are inconsequential. What we want for her is peace.
Simple. Go and settle. You take the passport, you go back.
Ọ bụrụ na ị chọọ ịrapụrụ ndị ji dọla gị ọ bụkwa na echi na chije na taha ya ndị molest gị ị chọọ press charges over them gị nwa mazi up to you.
Ya gwa ekwu ema na ndị akara ọkụ ebe ọdụ ka anyị je wetara ya nye. Simple.
Yes, you need any stress. So mana ihe arụ ị na-aza na ekwu na ị na-attempt ịsụ ọgụrụ onwe gị through ihe a Abakeleke nna ịdagbuyekwa n'ime mmiri ịma na ị mara egwu mmiri.
I don't want to tell me one way. I don't want to laugh. If I am a bias, I don't know. I would have never napped. They go what I will not marry.
Shark, Miss Smith. Obaluli bakwadia. And eba dia, ndere besi jidekwa gị na Kafia, because I could remember the last time I went to Cameroon through Kafia, through this their southern flanks.
Trying to live our life. We don't want to fish or shark to harm her.
Yes, don't be Jonah, because you may not be lucky as Jonah in the Bible, as shark tag or Bopotag in Florida.
Shark and I bomb mother no bodo. Only
Shark, if shark swallow Ogechi in the river of Cameroon, the shark will not vomit her in Florida. You other go? So don't be foolish to take that risk. One, you look Cameroon, you cannot be able to retrieve your passport. So how will you now go again? So you know how to make haze while the sun shines. Go and report yourself to the nearest police station now, or you carry yourself and come to Interpol. Interpol.
Don't near police station. I don't know why you say I don't near police station. Can I on Facebook?
I want civil service is your work. Police is an office job. It's a civil service job. It's paperwork. It's paperwork. Mariam Shehu will not get settled law. It must be recorded. And police will not come to Mariam Shehu's office nor her house. So for the thing to have bites, for the thing to have legality, because anything if women now, because look at how civil service, how civil job work. Police will not rely on a verbal word, Mariam Shehu, no Ogechi nwe. Police will require Mariam Shehu and Ogechi to put it in writing. Two of them will sign that they have resolved. Because tomorrow Mariam Shehu can use it against the police. So Madam believe that Mariam Shehu is a very peaceful woman, that she is out and she is willing. Because Mariam Shehu had not willing. I don't see why Ogechi will push Ogechi na. I don't see why Ogechi will report on the police in the first place. So because I think Mariam Shehu will be the person that we need to, praise for allowing this peace to reign. Because you also I'm on the first thing, but also no chorosi corner Igbo. So abuna Mariam Shehu nyege condition sigi nige delia nige take undertaking na man palesi nyawa bu Mariam Shehu ampalia umu Igbo before okwete. Is okay. Is sign only I gabalo onwe gi. And again one makwana gi we Nigeria ozo bu next 20 years unless me na try investment, because I'm am ni ebu na target bu na investment imecha na nke nwa agụ ata afia ya na ani ndị ngo okpala unu sutecha na oshi. Yetago. And I'm on the Tagan, but na control there and again. So you have to come. You have to come. This peace initiative must be permanent. You got to go? Can you say that? What I'm mad?
Ofumano.
Hello?
Hello? Yes.
So, Okeke, I get encouraged one night why. I'll go do that no then what I'm gonna show on a phone. What she will do is very simple. She should take her lawyer first thing tomorrow morning and a guarantor, Ghana bail, and head to Interpol office for headquarters in Egenti. When she gets there, or try the IPO, or the IPO, they will give her paper to write statement. They will come and say, "Wabia." Two of them will make peace. Police will settle two of them because that is the work of the police. If Ogasia to the extent that they can't settle, police will not charge her to court. Onye abia ebelu onya. Osisi no na abia court. But the court will abia court. Eh? I'm with you.
Okay. I want to hear some second draw because yeah, mother now masterania on that bar like actually made you etu ana Abona Ogechi may to is where we are now. Ogechi may to is where we are now. I believe Nudo Yadanandi and Udo Yadekwan na Facebook. But
yeah, Udo Gadinandian.
But Emma, there will be taking what we are saying for granted. Maybe I cannot deceive here more about anything. I don't believe that some people na help Kunyabo Ogechi because some are still telling her do this, do that. Even when we are telling her it is where they are now. So do you believe that now you are listening how you could? God, do you believe no ya patagabia insult in normally?
No, let me tell you something. The first person wearing solution for Ogechi was Nwaja. Nwaja was talking about cry. I remember Nwaja telling Ezugo, look at the way forward. Okwali Ezugo from zone 13. I was there on Ezugo. Yes. On Ezugo. See, I'm gonna cry very soon. But Imogo, now, Ezugo have limited and is trying to disassociate himself from Ogechi. In a very simple thing to do, maintain peace and order. Now, when Kahame video on the first video home, Akunanya na Akuzayon video go puta. Akuzayon made it specifically clear. Now, so you go get you a problem, one on Abuja. I don't know whether you got that video. Now, Akuzayon knew that very well. I know a problem, and he allowed Ogechi on a continuously.
The day Maryam Justice put a Western on your arrest, I comment. He said you are the one that make the arrest. We say we cause we put where now I have every put a different non woman the arrest. So ever since then I was expecting, and the only one said another one Nigeria, and nothing will happen. I was expecting the same young man. That first headquarters. But if one hearing now, and they deceive Okeke be a catag kissing. They are interested to kiss you get your Okeke Njaka, but they are not interested on get your Okeke Njaka. There is to go back. If one on the neighbor, undo get you kafa. You only want her to come and kiss you, but you don't want her to have freedom like you have. Deceivers. Now what is gonna buy agona? Or chosen my yoga Okeke Njaka naga. Or no, then you fake hope. The best hope mmadụ kwesịrị inye Ogechi ịkpọrọ ya bịa na police station. Ogo na ya egbu ya ọ bụ na ya edewe ọfụ n'anya na abụ.
No, listen carefully. Onwero mgbe a ga-eji gbuo Ogechi.
According to the guy, you kwuru ka nji ya George. Because us naturally igbu so many people has naturally igbu Ogechi. Say, unu biazie dey, e mara ma ya egbu Ogechi ma ya edewe Ogechi. Oh ya ha kwuru ka nna ekwu. Not to me. Allegedly, that is what they are saying. Okeke Njaka kwukuru ya. No isi ya ka ha chọrọ. Na ha chọkwa ime nke na. When you go there, you know, ọ bụ na ya egbu ọ bụ na ya edewe. Ọkwa Igbo na abụ koku na-akpọ mmadụ ọkpọ ọgụ na ndụ ọkpọ ọgụ na ọnwa ọrịa ya.
You're the right.
And I don't believe in etu apisi bịagoro na anyị ewe. Then nwere onye a na-egbu anyị egbu Maryam Justice nno anyị egbu n'Ogechi mba akwa ka udochie a na-abeda afọ mmakparịzụ onye ọbụla gabara onwe ya ọ naba je chụwakwa n'ego na aha agbagotewego.
Mana eziokwu na anụ. Mana ihe mma bụ gee ntị. Ịgba na the earliest advice, onye weta the best advice bụ nwa aja. Mana ịma na onye a na-enye advice when you discover that there's no road there for where they are telling you to go.
Yes.
People na road are there. You don't continue to move. The best thing is to turn around and come back. Because you make grievous mistake is that this, I want you to know because I'm a Nedoro Leonard. There is no embassy. You enter Africa. It's a document to give you na Nigeria. For example, you succeeded in smuggling yourself. It's a document to give you na Nigeria. They will tell you to go back to Nigeria. Meanwhile, everything got reflecting at the system. You cannot in one of any country it's illegally where better.
Of course.
Illegally. So you can't enter plane from there to anywhere.
Because how did you come?
You so if that this thing is are you getting me?
Yes.
So the best advice, or is small logo from Cameroon. Those waters are very dangerous because you have a pepper. Now, I need to say no one. You will meet here, Ndana rebels. Rebels now fight Cameroon war because on that side they can handle. You gotta go. What I'm telling you is if I tell you go and check it.
And they verify because so you have
and verify. Enagakwana ụgbọgbuo Shaki n'ogi. Ọmabụ Shaki amamgbọkwa gị na US o. Ọmajekwa na Florida dey for me tie gị. Inwugokwa. And it will be a very shameful thing that you passed on and we did not know. It will be very shameful. So the ultimate thing is this route you are following. Apologizing to Maryam Shehu, and I expect you to do this for 1 week to water the ground. You can even contact me. I will take you to Maryam Shehu. You can call her for phone. No take her call again. You go to the police. The police will invite her to come immediately. If you are with gold, yeah. And if you're not balance, Manama na nwaanyị nwe obi umeanị na ọ ga-forgive na ebe ọ bụla nọ na ihe na-agbasara gị na-emetụ ya n'obi. Hey, ebe ọ na-agbasara Ogechi na-emetụ ya n'obi. Very hard. If ọ chọrọ Kengwani also Maryam Shehu na-achọ ọrụ ka akwụsị ịkpali mmadụ. Onwe force what else is this woman demanding? Just gị kwụsị ịkpali mmadụ. Ọrụ isi a na-eme mkpalịsị mmadụ. Ị gabala onwe gị.
I want to stop. Let there be stop.
Stop. Yeah.
That's all.
Is this woman demanding gold or silver from you? and ịgwago ya na ị na-ayọzi ya for forgiveness gị nwa na-agwazi ya na Maryam Justice nwere connection nyanwa bụ Ogechi na-agwazi anyị nwa na Maryam Justice nwere connection ihe bụ ya ka o kwuo na vidiyo abụrụ Maryam Justice bụ Aisha Buhari
mela ndị mmadụ adịka na mmadụ serious. Ana m anya na-achara ede akara ọkụ a the cause of this laugh.
Which kind this kind of woman,
na ya ekwetego nwaanyị adịkwakwa
unu akpalịkwa nwa nwaanyị a na mụ na ya mee peace o. This woman bụ connection.
Now,
I'm telling you.
What about our billionaire brothers in our school?
Barapo onye nke malu Maryam Shehu onye nke ama mgbogote na nke they will deal with that one with nke bụ Mirabel ka ọ ga na-akpọ na ajo biko.
And from post Ogechi mere about 10 minutes ago now. My sister now fear everywhere. So, and let there be peace. My sister. Let the sister remain permanent.
At least I am anything now. At least go about Ogechi akwụsị n'ihi hijab. Ọkwa ịgba spray n'isi ka wee fụ na ịbụ bọbọ. Ị na-egosi nwunu spray gị ị na-aga Abuja ị na-egosi spray gị ọ bụrụ sa Asokoro ka ị ga-aga. Isi Asokoro ịba maitama isi maitama ịba wuse ị na-aga alịnụ na-aka achifon asụ onye bịa Abuja.
Igbo bakarịa o. Nna mana akarọkụ, I want to ask you this. Ogechi mmarụ onye kwesị na Maryam Justice na ọ karịrị ya onye nwakwuru n'okwu ka ọ bụ Alisha traveled.
Na nwanne nwaanyị echekisigo nsi Cameroon dakpunyekwa na mmiri. Kedu ihe m ga-akọlụ chi m nye ọ bụzi na mama mgbazi saga n'ụwa.
So chọọ ya peace.
Ihe ọ chọọ bụ peace and I support her.
Support her as well. Support her.
But mother, and I knew Maryam Shehu and I spoken with her. The only thing or demand from the beginning, Ogechi, you must come to Abuja. I will sit with you face to face and we iron it out. Kedi ye din ya ifu Maryam Shehu da be otu isi we art in airport ya labor plane on we na ama mmemu. E art kwara kind of film na.
Eze kwesịrị bụrụ ezigbo mmadụ. Keke this woman catch Ogechi eh. I bụrụ ezigbo mmadụ. You are the problem here. Eze kwesịrị. You are the problem. Nobody is looking for Ogechi. We want peace to them.
You want peace. Ọ pụtara na ọgwa nwaanyị ofi feel the demands of the woman which is not outrageous at all.
Of course.
People, mambalizi ndị Igbo, mambalizi gị nwa. Very simple. Ị gabala onwe gị. Police are documenting that they have settled. No need for court case again. Police say well belongings ya niile nye. Ọ gabala onwe ya.
At least onye benata kwuo okwu m ụka na Facebook. Mụ ejekwa ozi.
Onye ọbụla anọla onwe ya. Ama na-ekpezi ikpe egosikwa ego asịrọ. Onye ọbụla anọdụrụ onwe ya. Jee business ya.
Nwa m ihe na-arụ. Nje chokwa ihe na-arụ. Na-ara agbagokwa again.
Onye ọkpalịgwalị ya mana ọmụkpalịzi Maryam Shehu. Yotago.
Enwere ihe mmadụ bịa na-ajụ m yesterday mana amụghị m ọ dị necessary ikwupụta ihe just obere okwu ka ọ bụ mana ịmana mama ndị nọ na-ekwuso nsọ oge Ogechi everyday ọkwa apịara mbara apịara awọ ọrịa.
Yes, na otu ọnụ a dị na recharge gị achichita.
Mbakwa recharge bụkwa mịa ahụ.
recharge bụ telefon. Ọnụ ada recharge, ọ imepe ọnụ na-ekwu fesọ gị.
E nwere ihe m watchere Ezugo kwuru na one of his video 2 days ago regarding Ifeanyi Uba. And ọ sị na kịta ya believe wego ihe Matias na-ekwu maka ndị ụka. And ọ dị ya ka ya join Matias. Because if Nia Matias na-ekwu na ya fụrụ ya na Nnewi, that is like he will join Matias. When no we said na not the surprise and na ya akọwarele ya. If I know bad you were to get the church, roll to the 90%. Where deny ya the man access he be fine where be at the church. Church you up here single-handed look at the roof for me in there. Water, mononos 200% to complete. When I was here now, neighbor if I were be about one. Being why name go program 3 about one. And then one witness. So create we deny ya if I access and I acquired in the name and I acquired a yam. Without that, ya join your Matias. Where money hana cabro can they so quadress so. And say or metagana ye folk or just go where. Na-ekwu okwu ka o si ekwu ma ndị a nwere ikputu ọnụ ikwu okwu na-atọ ha ụtọ so nsị ka icheta ọnụ n'okwu a wee na-achekwa okwu Ogechi again.
Ịma na okwu niile a na-ekwu na-aga ka Ogechi. Na ife a na-abụghị ime ife okwu o mere okwu dị ya na nkịtị o nwere reason o ji kwuo ya. A reason o ji wee kwuo where is that na pressure abịabago na from on him no support for Ifeanyi Uba bụ nwanne ya nwoke oge Ogechi na-akpali ya. So okwu ọ na-ekwu bụ a cover because pressure abịabago on him now. The whole thing na be very clear on him now. Ọ ya ma o ji wee kwuo okwu a ka ọ dị ka ọ na-agbachitere Ifeanyi Uba. And ke ndị oge eji wee shine ka ọ wee dị loud bụ ndị ụka. So onye bụ okwu ahụ ọ na-ekwu okwu ọ na-ekwu bụ ka ọ wee zọlụ favor ka ọ wee gbalịsi onwe ya n'aka ka esi Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Onye bụ okwu a ifu ọ na-ekwu na ọ bụrụ na ọ like ka Ifeanyi Uba ị na-ege ntị onye ị na-anya ịfụ na bifo okwu a na ọ bụ ụzọ na-egosi road Ifeanyi Uba lụgasịrị na Nnewi.
Yeah, right.
Yes, pressure diabalo on him. Ka ife Ogechi na support Ogechi against Ifeanyi Uba. And then na ifu no dey jizike okwu Ogechi. Because of pressure. Yes. Pressure adabago on him. You go? Pressure adabago from him. Pressure from Nnewi adabago on him. Oya ma ojifu, ijifu oji kwubezie maka Ifeanyi Uba.
Okay. Intelligent. Now let's go back again. After that, they website the other page. I na Bugobeze new. I'm
No, my account officer.
Everyone I say Maryam Justice, my sister. That fear been in Imo State. Imo State. That's it. Oh no, what the same man? After that, also we go see one. Go see one you pan thread. Go see one neighbor. Now Facebook hana publish. I bring it on. And the other hana Maryam Justice. People Abuja no one contact, even including Callistus. So mbiasi on okay or no we say my no kanya ba go bad enko. Now after that, since you go okay, Kobo just pretend. I want to know.
Let me tell you something. I came on a live video where Guru, almost again on that day, where Guru that now Zion as a ministry and as organization, seeing how much their reputation on the line for a well-known criminal and a rascal. The Queen Pin Nando to yesterday is here. They try to blackmail Ebuka Obi. No Ogechi the pillar of the ministry. That's the ministry. Ogechi did not know how it was found, and how the founder had the vision from the Lord. So they went that route or walk. What did they now want to do? They now want to activate all their machine for feedstock, which is what they ought to be doing before. Had you seen that Ogechi Okeke Njaka turned up on Monday? Oh, guy, Emery arrest, not the meek. You are not the meek. This so bad. By now we are talking. Okwesigi nwetege everything. Kita ndị bịa na ana.
Ma ọ bụrụ ụzọ na-arị since.
Mana osita adị na mma, ọ dị bagbo. What they said about Maryam Justice is inconsequential. Ogechi Okeke Njaka could admit it and stop it and beg for forgiveness.
Give me this.
I believe the woman will forgive her. The woman have already forgiven her, but the woman just to talk on where a concrete something, because I've spoken with the woman. Or talk on where a concrete something that's okay. This is undertaking. Son, you will never insult me again. If you insult me, I will take you to court. You say you will not insult in the Igbo again. Because if in America, if you shake your page, your followers are killing. If you hook up, okay? The problem with our people is not the problem with our people. Most of our people are drop personal, not the way you treat our people. And that is the problem. So after that, you just to smooth work for her, because the longer the queen pin no in Nigeria, the more her daily bread will not be complete.
Yeah.
Because somewhere a life contract to present the queen pin. On a contract, and those contracts is monetized. She ought to be paid to do that in identity. So
after that, a contract to be paid.
Yes, now no negotiate the contract.
This may understand because she could be so are you telling me that after that a signing contract with Ogechi to be paid?
Yes, now and that is the negotiated a contract.
For no be and all of Ogechi.
No, what any atom of love. It's a contract. I negotiated the contract. What we agreed was 2.5 million. You know, you have a very big job for her.
Okay.
And more like if her to be out of job. Because if the queen pin overstays and can no longer pay, it will be disastrous. My contract is one. Mana ya chọọsị mmadụ ịkpọle mmadụ ibia na Facebook no ife anyị na-ekwu. Yes, peace and understanding. Peace and understanding.
Yeah.
Love, nwanne malụ nwanne ya, onye fụ nwanne ya, ọnwụrị arụ nwanne ya, onye fụ ezigbo iwe, ogosi nwanne ya, onye fụ contract, onye nwanne ya.
And the good say to akwa kwesịrị.
Otu ọ kwesịrị ịdị ụmụnne na ụmụnna na-emekọ ife.
Etu izu wee bịa bụ jamana ga na-enwe aṅụrị.
Yes, ịghọta gị ya na ọ bụrụ onye fụ nwanne ya ọgbọgbọ ọsọ otu Ogechi si wee bịa Abuja ọ bịa n'obeghị ọ chọkwa idugi ya Interpol ọ sị gị dugi ọ na-ema ndugi ya
anje gosi ebe ahụ ịma na ọmara ụzọ it happened to be na ebi ma Abuja ebi.
Very simple thing. Peace, every peace must begin and end in Abuja. And not just in Abuja, in area 11, and not just in area 11. Inside Louis Edet house.
Louis Edet house, so. Child.
Because why Ogechi do edit there? Or because na Maranshewu, or why Ogechi this so? Or because na Maranshewu are wicked. You got that?
Eh.
Why Ogechi do edit so? Abro because na Maranshewu are wicked.
Oga, yeah,
You got that?
we go see again. You have to be. Man, on every young wagon request, yeah, you will see where they are, right? Audio.
Face one can show.
Mba.
Oh, show at all.
Mba, sure. Na aka gị na-eme arịtụ. So all the dark and all the mma. But I wonder why it's like
I tell my name,
aka got them all the blink now. But I will show you. And if this thing continue, I actually go get a iPhone because Android phone now point.
Don't worry, about your face is showing a caloko.
Jamike must provide.
Yeah, it's showing. Oh, this is one.
His face is showing. Now Karoko is very intelligent. Also, he have name on social media day. But if this thing continue, come here with iPhone man, iPhone 14 Pro Max man, now Karoko.
No, that continues. Keke,
And
we are talking how to liberate our very good sister.
abu na onye anokwa na ihe anyị na-eme ba since now. Oh, man, to it will never happen. Mother na-ekwu asịrị isi. Mana I strongly believe that at this time knows ya yeru so. Oh yeah, married the needful. At least oje na police station ya na this woman settle. Any the help anyị ka Bible witness man let them settle. And continue on another journey because we have a lot journey to attend.
Yeah, well, I believe with Ogechi, they will all this social media wrangling will be eliminated. Without Ogechi, when you get Kalistus, when you Zuzu. Without Ogechi, my banker we go back to her banking job.
Maryam Justice by your Ogechi, your system and included, the Kalisu and included.
Oh, holistically, agbalo onye ọbụla. Agbalo onye ọbụla. Agbalo onye ọbụla because the sins they are committed is the sins of Ogechi, not their own sin.
So your sister doesn't have problem again.
Yes, everybody is forgiven. Oh yeah, Ogechi get sacrifice, made this sacrifice.
Okay.
Where your peace are? Because Ogechi am your peace for only herself. Okay, for onye ọbụla. Paligo mmadụ because of her.
Okay, that boy, or you have to go your forgiveness in here because one Sunday, one you can I don't know.
So everyone is Sunday.
Well, you want to go and about Maryam Justice, one Sunday, you can work.
I want to again, I forgive onye ọbụla. As far as not your Ogechi got your forgiveness onye ọbụla.
Okay.
Ogechi got your forgiveness onye ọbụla. Na ife na-agwa nwaanyị bu amụ nnekwu nwaanyị bụzi Aisha ka Ogechi bụzi na-eyizi hijab zeta tatu ndị Hausa ọ na-egosisi spray head ya etem na ọ gbara isi ya spray ka ọ wee bịa mee guy na Nigeria.
And now on another in darkness like the water. Chai. Somebody's humble now.
Nne bataba Abuja na o nwere ife na-eme o nwere ihe na Abakaliki eme o nwere ihe na Owerri eme o nwere ihe na Enugu eme bataba Abuja
Akaraku is a very nice guy. And don't really get it for Akaraku here. Na Abuja here. Udade. Kadojanda batano bim. Chai. Chairman. Odemma. Good evening, sir.
Okay. Yeah, it's this afternoon.
Oh, afternoon evening here from Nigeria, 5:58, almost 6 o'clock, sir. Welcome.
Okay. I'm about 12:58 now. Yeah, 11:58.
I want to get a look like a warrior. Can I want
Aha.
and I'm a phone and send a warrior join the guy.
What was this? Warrior?
Warrior can wrestling.
Oh,
okay.
Okay.
But you know what? They get you Hokogan. And I say, Hokogan.
Sorry, Hokogan.
Okay,
Yeah, but I watch him well.
Yeah, my brother, I'm your fan. I bought a good this thing on the social media, you know. But nobody, for me, Ogechi, I've never apologized for anything. Or never apologize. So that thing she's just doing because Neji and Amu. So she's just doing it, you know, apologizing because let me tell you one thing. Kenya, Maryam, Nazo. Okay, that is no one here. Yeah, Pundibu. Then, but I don't know. There's not okay, also go. I apologize to Maryam, but he's still insulting other people. Does that look like apology? And that doesn't look like it.
But I go to hold and the stop of all these things. Stop. They put to stop. Ochiaka na kwa na man palace in the again. A man can na Facebook.
No.
It's like it's unless madam actually that. But let me tell you one thing. If that woman went up the pain, let me tell you one thing. She got everything in platter of gold. Let you people allow this thing to the blood to take in. Yeah. What does that mean? What I mean is that she got her freedom just a platter of gold. That's what it means.
But I ain't able to do
No, my brother. Let me tell you one thing. Can you wait? At least, I'm in 2019 or 18. I started 19. I started following Ogechi. How she insult people. Insult to Ogechi. Even as of Ogechi there in Nigeria, she still insult people without remorse. Okay, let's assume that she play her card, Banner America. Do you think it's gonna stop? That's my question.
No.
It's not gonna stop. So the point to check and good is you actually may off Abundibo. You are with Abundibo, but you're been of money and I pay 1 month. Let the law take his place. The more finishes the law take his place. Up Tazia, a peace. But you just give that woman a peace now. Now what's your paper? Because in your paper, I know what the paper. There, I tell you, Chingo man. That's all get a cool gas. Okay, let me give you one example. First, I know I'm Ogechi baby.
Don't worry. I queen a good night.
Ogechi baby. They should come back again. Is supporting Ogechi baby. I'm not supporting anybody. How do you feel now? Now, to see Kenya peace or that can happen on Monday. How about now, America?
Ofuji, which one can
One can move on never.
Kapia. I want you on.
How do you feel now?
Okay. Okay. Nobody is saying that Ogechi has made peace, or nobody is calling for peace. What I'm saying in essence is very simple. Since it has gotten to Ogechi, as into her knowledge, that there was something like peace, and she felt that na onyanya were a problem. But Maryam Shehu, not proper for her to just sleep in her bed and be asking for peace. Pisa n'okwu ya bụ a formal something because na ihe abago n'ọlụ oyibo police is involved. Nobody again na Maryam ga sort out. You got to go? So now third party abago, which is police. So what Ogechi did to Maryam
thank you for correcting.
Can be classified as character assassination or kenka hana charge yaketa. Charge baketa. Now, what is it now? How is it done? If Ogechi, these things are very simple, and that is what this woman wanted in the first place. Because open at the woman to violence or police in the first place, not because she wanted peace. So the woman have always wanted peace. Now, if Ogechi comes, police will not call the woman Maryam to come. They have to settle. If they can't settle within themselves, if they both of them cannot settle within themselves, police will not charge the case to court.
Yes.
Okay.
But if they within themselves, if they can, because what I'm saying is that not that thing she is doing on her platform is not apology, and it cannot work between only two of them because third party have already been involved, which is the police.
Okay, I'm going to pick a point. I'm going to pick a point.
So yeah, I'm making the point. They have to very well.
Because nobody wants to kill her.
Because onye ọbụla naanị ọ na-agbawa senti onwe onye wo maazị onye ayi okpuru ed nke bụ glass na ya wo onye ji okwu among all of you. We are pretending. Why are we pretending to the righteous?
Pretending,
I cannot come on you, man. Because peace, Miriam privately, boy, you peace. I've been on Facebook or this I can learn a message or you must name it. Heba. Oh, that's a plenty. On any Miriam Zokua. Okay, Governor Zoku today. Miriam, I won't actually happy. I continue. I bet they have a brood the whole 1,000 glory. They put in Miriam can get with them. I don't man go. I don't think so. Let me
come into that. There were a lot of people who wants the justice from that woman. See, let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you what's happening. One, when you open one just them 2 minutes, I can get out. You know, maybe I'll be listening. Let me tell you one thing. Case Ogechi and Ogosi, but do not hurry. You see the other audio millionaire, Akozayo. It has shown that that guy doesn't have any money. And where they going? Because this guy but an year ago, so he can't give him out of 15-20 million. That Akuzayo. How many want this woman up to 20 or 50 million to lodge her in a hotel so that she'll be comfortable? Wait, let me go.
It is no audio.
Wait. I want to and go see. But now Ogechi Njaka, let me tell you the gospel. She's not doing anything. She has no money. That is it. So this lady have made people cry. Let me tell you what. Do I cry because of what she was doing to other people? Yeah, I do. I do.
What if Ngwagena say? And a choice is coming. How will you feel?
Ekweme, can I go to reality? Sir. So I know you live in a very civilized country.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oburo, if I'm again, think again, you know. What will happen to Ogechi is the law. Must take its course. Now, as it is now, Ogechi only recognized na problem that is what she said, and that is what she recognized. That is why we narrowed it down to that. So we don't want to bring other thing. No, Because with her belief, she believed that every other thing is inconsequential. Every other problem she's having is
They
inconsequential.
behave like
No, any
Governor
problem.
Ezoku. They speak like Governor Ezoku. Governor Ezoku say, Maryam Justice,
Listen, caller,
forgive her and leave the
listen
rest
first.
for us.
Listen, caller, listen first now.
Let,
Listen.
let me tell,
Let me land.
can
Let
I
me
come
land.
into that?
Let me land this.
Okay.
Let me land. Don't worry. You were
Okay,
right. You were. Oh, you
wait,
almost
wait,
you
don't
were.
worry, calm down.
But you were right. You were. But we have to go to reality. When
Okay.
Ogechi was released, because we are working with what we had on social media. When Ogechi was
Yeah.
released, Akuzayo made a video and they were laughing. They said Ogechi had no other problem except one Abuja, which is Maryam Shehu. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, Ogechi now came and apologizing apologizing to Maryam Shehu,
Yeah.
insulting others.
Yes.
Now, I'm not taking others. I don't want to bring others' problem into the picture. I'm saying, okay, since Ogechi is focusing on Maryam Shehu and apologizing
Yeah.
to her,
Give me
I
cover.
am now directing her how to make a proper apology so that she can settle her problem with Maryam Shehu. That is all I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that is the proper thing. Because here is Okubu, Bia Abuja Kai settle
Yeah.
the police custody. And obu that na Apuechi na police. And Maryam Shehu will decide to settle with her na police. It will be documented. That is why I say she should come so that the whole thing will be documented. Because police will be the third party not here. You understand? So if the police decide not to take Ogechi to court for defamation, possible. You can decide to iron the whole thing out. Now, but that does not exonerate Ogechi from other crimes she has committed, which she felt,
Okay.
Okay, they pick
that she
point
can
now.
handle that.
They pick
She felt that she can handle that. No So we are not talking about others. We are talking the ones she have recognized already. So she cannot be on her bed in the dark. Now I say I apologize to Maryam Shehu. No, it's not all about Maryam Shehu alone. You have to come because police is involved already. That is what I'm saying. I'm more very clear.
I'm not getting it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's very simple. I'm not talking about other cases because other cases the law must take its course, whether she likes it or not.
Nwanne akara ọkụ anyị ghọtara ebe ụnụ na-aga na mana ịma na ụmụnne anyị otu esi ege ntị na
Obi test dey kwokwu a.
obi mba ọwụrụ obi test ka obi.
Okay.
Ngwa gee ntị akara ọkụ peace might come at the end, but it is too early safe in a discuss because I watched the live video. Yeah, the thing that we went anti. Oh no, me live video. Like you watch here, Governor Ezoku say emejogo komo onye obula biko si gbaghara. Even my wife na so na my ihe nya me ihe obula oga eme were go the passport ha si ebe a pro bidokwa because ha chọpụtara na that is the only thing nwere ike imenwu mana kita unu na-eme video oti na-eme na atama granot ga na-achị n'onwe gị ọchị so ihe niile na-emebu na Abuja dịka ndị nke na-awọ ntụ ọgwụgwọ ndị nke na-enye tụgụ 1 naira ma ndị nke na-awọ ọchịchị ogo dịka play kuru na-emebu since instead unu discuss zile maka ya because okay I got warranty now pastors now because I watch video unu enwere ike without religion aspect of it without humanity now bombard is Miriam Ogechi see that na some dignitaries akpọgo Miriams be egwuregwu richa why not this no no onye ọbụla mara na asị no or even if that is why Governor Eziokwu remain governor also even if Maryam forgive her that in now governor mana go awa akara kona I mean go awu kisi nwere ike ihe chọrọ ime dị gị n'obi mana ichi ikwu ebe but what we are seeing even in your facial this is the first time we na-eme video na-achụ odo ọchọ dị ka ị na-ala aka azụ
Yes. Can I speak on? Speak. Yeah,
so
go on.
I would forgive you. I would like forgive you. Like I would get I would my God forgive you. I would not like forgiveness is a deal. Like where they kept Ijele now. Oh, Ijele we're gonna work forgiveness now because he has learned in a hard way.
Yes, against it. Okay, let me come to that. Let me tell you one. Come back in one thing. This lady not married mad. Let me tell you one thing. ọ na-akparị mmadụ ndị ọma ndị ọ ga-akparị very well.
Yes.
Ọma ndị ahụ marụ ndị ama come for her. Do you understand me? Look at my badge. I'm going to go say here. Let her come for me. Name my badge.
Okay.
Let her come for me. I need no North Carolina. You're not here. Let her come for me.
Can I say something?
Yes.
I am the president. And I'm a taboo. We have Jatari on now. Let me be serious on this. Now, guy warrior. Like I said before, can you take a she water and drink? And the daughter of my brother who is talking, I will not Henneken. Can you drink your Henneken and relax your mind?
Okay.
We are relaxed. We are
relaxed.
Like,
we're okay.
Like, I want to follow our page. You know, I
Very well.
I don't know if I get it. But for a few days now, our topic changed. And the most important thing is to people who is following us to use their intelligent acumen to know where we are heading. We cannot expose everything on social media. We are like intelligence.
I know.
When police ask you now, police will make sure he or she calm your morale until you get to the appointed place, to the destination. Now, this is another intelligence you are seeing here. And we can never expose ourselves. That is why I say, when I said, take your she water, take your she beer, take your she wine and drink.
I'll be looking for the drama of Facebook.
Is coming. Now you can I believe that on your age will take you where I am heading. We can never.
No. Ganti, Ganji, what I need because him and I'm with Zinjib and make Ginti. Now, but now you say something now I understand you. In my badge, you know where I'm from. So I understand you very well. Very well. So, but all one is Jack, you were there. I put that to them on social media, you know. That's him. In a church, then you are there. I was mad. I was really mad. No.
Let me tell you something.
It's okay. It's okay. Let her come out. Let her come and one thing. The apology on the apology.
No, the other side. They say they have my kids and another go. I said joy coming.
Someone you know. So what I'm trying. So what I'm trying to say. Advice. Let me tell you. Na US oga. You're big. Please, even like me when Okeke take one your man immediately ejidia. I check on knock I be sober. Go to go do why your way how can I even today how can I not insult? Same thing that is what I say. Even though she comes back now to say, let me tell you one thing. Because on passport
papers. Okay, moon.
Passport ya ka ọ na-achọ. Ọ release ya passport ya kịta. Ọnwa. Let me tell you one thing. Ọnwa fenie ka we no use Nigeria Nigeria airport fenie. O fenie ha na airport ahụ. Ọ bụ na mute that's mute how they stop. She will be in that aircraft insulting everybody. Just ọ bụ na ọ ga-agbachi uru nkịta. Onye nwere forgiveness. Na ihe o Nkechi, of course, I can't those go. But I want to the she just boom from nowhere.
Now, let me take you to the board just for a few minutes because, like as I am now, I am not intelligent more than everybody, but I am trying my best. Can they achieve to Okuka? People didn't want to now, what I buy, I like and go and and the only one I buy. Now, let me ask you something now. Do you remember that Ogechi Okeke Njaka sue police people for 100 million? Are you aware? Okay. And you think she will come out and they said that the same police who sued 100 million that win her with their life. And you say the police people, the same police, you sue 100 million and fail. Could you know that if you win, they will pay you that 100 million and you will collect it without saying no, let the money go back to them. The same police who win you, you are alive, and they say they molested you. So who will sue each?
Kingsley, Gamonti, forget about the police. I have done a lot of issues with the police. Forget that whatever insult on the police, it does not count.
Yeah.
Police don't even care about it. Forget about Nigerian police. Forget about Nigerian police.
Can I tell you something?
Nigerian police, let me tell you one thing. Even when they're back here, police
just that is it. Just even phone call.
Nigerian police. If they are back here up, Nigerian police. They are going to shut up and get the case. This case,
Nigerian police police the 2 or 3 people have tracked their number and with those people. But I have not seen such an action. Police want to do.
Obi, from where you are working with information on your desk. So I will not blame you.
Okay.
Nigerian police Adigo reform and one of the best police in Africa now.
And they both could be one of the best place in Africa.
Now,
very intelligent.
Now, in anything,
superior talk and talk to IG. IG drop everything.
Wait, now it's not possible. It's not possible. But we are talking about a criminal case here.
If there is a criminal case, why are we talking about forgiveness? What is it? It's based on who they quote.
Nobody is talking about forgiveness here. That is that you have to listen first. You are not listening.
You were the debate. You were the debate.
We are not listening. No, personal explanation.
No,
because some of our people. Wait, Kingsley. About a personal explanation. On where some people get that kind of notion here, and we need to here. So everybody,
yes,
we are not talking about apology here. We are talking about the statement to Ogechi make about apology. Now, Anas told her, this is what you should do, not just on your bed or posting Maryam Shehu on your Facebook. If you want to apologize to this woman, the best thing to do, because the woman have already initiated peace by calling the police.
You're right.
Because if this woman don't want peace, she will not call the police ab initio.
You're right.
Now, is the prerogative of this Maryam Shehu to charge the matter to court or not? This is our prerogative. No, yes, they are already in court because Ogechi challenged. No, who is in court is Interpol against Ogechi because Ogechi challenged her gazette in court. That is not proper. Yes, no, she did not get the judgment. She now went to ECOWAS court that has no jurisdiction in what is happening. But I don't want to go to legal matters. Yeah, these things are things that should be sorted out between her and Maryam Shehu. This does not mean or in any way affect all her cases in totality.
Okay.
Are you getting the point?
And now, Maryam Shehu as an individual, Maryam Shehu as an individual is a Nigerian citizen. And where her rights stop, another person's rights begin. So she cannot, and she cannot, in terms of rights, interfere in other cases. Because her case, as far as now, for example, now, not accept, but these things cannot happen in Ogechi's bedroom or in Maryam Shewu's office. It must happen at the police station. It must happen at the Interpol's office. So both of them can be there and settle, because it's her right to settle or not to settle. If Ogechi went and begged her, for example, let's say for example, and both offer no Ogechi Nazo, offer her maybe 500 million or cover all her expenses, okay, go na the case, everything. Her settle is best for all of them.
You're right.
But if she did not settle, she can decide. I cannot decide for Maryam Shehu. She can decide. So everything we are saying is probability. So what are we saying? This is a woman that they say that the police has to come to the police so that she can explain her own side of the story. Yes. So if she decides that she wants to settle, is that same police that she's running to that will settle it? That is the point I'm making. Not that I'm exonerating her from all her crime. No, I don't have the power to exonerate her. Now, that is what I'm saying. And I'm not saying that Maryam Shehu will exonerate her. No.
We will settle the case at the police.
Yes.
Obi, are you getting the point? Are you going where we are going?
Well, yes, I'm with you. With the
that is my point. Not that Maryam Shehu should forgive her. No, I am saying, Ogechi, this apology you are talking about is not what you will begin to. You will stay on your bed and be saying. And I said that is a good option, because if they are advising Ogechi, they want to smuggle Ogechi through Calabar waters. That is suicidal. That is suicidal. And she cannot attempt suicide just because that now police is calling her for questioning. No.
Do you know now Ogechi 2 weeks ago? By now, the whole thing had off. The whole thing
so off. The early author on to police station
better
for the questioning. Better. That's exactly what I'm saying.
Maybe 1 week, a man not ban if you are don't open a camera, everybody down.
Oh, you're like no put on Facebook now, you're not like a scenario.
After all, I'll be the first person.
Mbaye na Anambra State. I no cool down. You're to the biko at drama. According to one cambo, even you Kinsley. I Abraham one name, only one you about the dog Kinsley.
See, police had the weekend. Police had the weekend. Obi. Police had the weekend. Show where Luna checking point. Show where Luna checking point. Balebandi police.
Yes.
On what on you provoke, just Baleba. You should not. Now, police now invited him for questioning the police station. Yes. Now, at the end of the day, police in your bail.
Oh,
That is what I'm trying to tell you. So that human rights aspect of it, police is always covered it. That is what I'm trying to tell Ogechi. Never forget this thing. These people need to see here. She should not go and commit suicide or attempt suicide.
Let him show himself.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Especially if emotion ayowabiko. Mana ihe o mere and ndị na-enye ndụmọdụ adọrọ malaki ya o mere n'abalị n'ụtụtụ aka ogini na na-eme live ọ gara ejide opportunity ahụ ya biko
Ogechi Ogechi ga-emecha ihe onye ọbụla biko but ọ dịgo late ọ ga-eme gantị onye ọbụla iji ụkọtụ ama m ime ọ dị mmadụ ahụ ị ga-ama o ji bụ ọnụ ịma na ihe mere ya bụ na onwere nwaanyị ọnụ ka dịka because ọ bụrụ na this sorry, let me cancel this call. Ọ bụrụ na dịka amachi so na America ihe bụ ka imeti ọfụma mana onwere onye nọ na Nigeria onye akara aka Give face nwa.
No, but some people
Because you in my head defeat this one. In my head this one. I be what is there. Yeah, go see picture. Go see the picture can go see young game. No matter. She's not going to do it. I can't go speak on the man.
Can I tell you something again?
Yeah, you come.
I don't know what from Ebanaga. Do you remember no get you see Jepak? No, I run na you know before ya aware you because you forgive. No, I run na you.
Yes, I have it.
And don't
Very well.
Expect no ya after na Facebook so you also sorry I forgive you. This moon na here what you also. Your wish is another command.
Yes. Very good now. I want to forgive his spirit.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything. Okay. Yeah. Spirit of forgiving. So if we
Maryam Justice is near non village 75 years because so much na throw to am.
Bless your mother.
Why not 75 years?
That woman.
This are not throw to am.
Take I'm going in my happiness. My happiness. So that can have this boy go chick or go get yeah. That boy with freedom. Because that boy tabu go when I home. That boy tabu go when I
which boy?
Telling
Which boy?
Go there go get the boss that boy tabu go when I that boy call room me on and inside that house. Who will do that boy? So my prayer because you say Ogechi that boy want freedom onwhere. At least Ogechi before 8 years, 1 year or 6 months. That boy can shut on up. What prayer? Because I'm not before but as boy I know job. Because that boy I got through that boy I got through here. I'm telling you the gospel truth. That boy na atagazi one home na ije akpọtara America. That boy is like a slave. Take to go the boy, then the boy, you got that boy. Without saying anything, you got that boy don't have. No, that boy, and then you got that is all the no. That is that boy. No. So book at that boy. I be so gonna. I better book it. Go to go not 1 year. That boy, innocent boy, want freedom. I better more. HDA corner about 1 good year. I put that I will work a happier. Ọkwa etinyere ka ahụ ya bụ ka ahụ ya udene ka ọgịnị ka ujele. Onye ọbụla na ya fela ka hapụ n'udene. And ihe hapụkwa ya bụ na a ga-anye n'anya ma o nwere remọsụ. Nwere remọsụ ịga biko ka ihe na-ahapụkwana. O nwere remọsụ ụmụnna m biko unu ha mụ biko unu tie mkpu. Ndị ya gbaziri mgbata bịa mgbata ekwu ya biko nne biko hapụwa but ihe hapụ Ogechi na nso nso a nye ya paspọtụ na America. That woman mechara unu ihe even madam ka ahịa madam
Maryam Justice
Maryam Justice nke ọ ga-agwụ ya nke ọ ga-agwụ ya ga-aka nke ọ bụ na ọ gwara ya 10 ihe ọ ga-agwụ ya nke 2 million this time around. Nwaanyị ahụ hapụ otu ọta ya ahụ were paspọtụ ya nye ya mgbe na ọzọ bye bye bịa chicha kesi ya niile asị ya na Ogechi mechaa that woman ihe that woman ga-ajụ ka ihe isi o ji pụta ụwa. The best thing bụ Ogechi banye ebe ahụ ga-ata ahụhụ dịrị ya. Ogechi ya deserve for freedom. That woman need akwa kpọrọ ya collection center. Let them go and correct their brain. Oh, mental problem. Can do we about you see a pack on? They got on na Facebook for 6-7 hours talking. As soon as you do, they're supposed to put her in the correction center where she will be corrected, her brain will reset. Her brain has reset, but her brain has never reset. So my own help, when I got caught to everything, Madam Justice, yeah, because answer. Yeah, because me better. That boy, that small boy, no, also on anu. Man, anu the boy. Yeah, because me, the more get you for 1 year there. That boy come when honor do where. That boy mara honor do honor up and what? Up I won't where here. When is freedom. And can research your brain no get you. So because you got copy and again here. Yeah, make all my home game make all get you no 1 year. Correction center.
So what?
So that yeah, because me so that oh my hand I got cab. That boy who go. That okay, what the boy? Oh, my boy got down. I'm on your Ogechi. Hana moto oh my hope. You can have board to go out. Oh, motor Hana open vehicle. He said something. I'm here for Ogechi or for Ogechi. I bear for the person. Then, the body count of this boy. Oh, one can say, I'm on a bed. Look at that boy. If you can record that time on a motor, they record there because we have any body count. The check is on bed. You look at that boy, look like imbecile. He look like an imbecile. He look like a moron. He look like he doesn't know even his left and right. So, there's a drama because let me tell you one thing in America.
America can know.
Yes, I'm in America. America when America they go win. America win 95%, one win 95% right.
Okay.
I'm telling you. So when you make America. I be the police go to first. Police get organize in Aja. Go on. If police are saying shh, let her, and they will take all what she said as a statement, not what you say.
Oh, wow.
So unless I'm on a court kick again with the two right but all police got going in for 20 years. Police got saying poor. Give your cool that in 3 days. A man can no give you 20 years. You see now, I'm
going to go at you. No man, I can get poor.
Get no young guy of the American
Wow.
go on for 20 years. Go a Goria. See now, Nigeria, not a one, not here. Oh, one land there.
Okay, during the jail time. And when you get to them, if you don't go see boy jelly, man, time when you room here today, and all this, the same place, Emery arrest, Emery invite on 21st. Is there a West Year met today? Is there a way they want 20th? The same place came at the same Ogechi invite on our boss on in front of Chukuna. On in front of the same place.
No matter, I don't, no matter. The other question is major coma. One thing, let me tell you one thing. I'm going to get you know, but I name Major Dibu. Who stood the right to insult the Igbos will surely go down. Check when they are. Check you are from the beginning. Check when they are. Mujele. Move go. Ogechi. Yes. Ogechi sort for one. Ogechi sort to me. I'm more upon the Igbo. As na yana and the Benin one and over and the. And me I'll go for the Macanje Gabra. I want to make not in order, not in a moto. I want to you just naked knock and let me tell you one thing. You know, people they feel now and then Ogechi. Ogechi people. So I'm just taking out to catch cruise. Like me, I use that to catch cruise. Don't go for that. Someone call you cruising by your airport, but someone call you because hey, long talker. How do you go? That's all. You know, abroad they are short. So let me tell you one thing. Yeah, okumni na na be that boy no. I'm not so dead for that boy. I want to do me say more about only one of 20 years. Even one of 20 years here back one all the police America. Police got someone ya. Ga gwa nke nwoke enye go there 3 days ko come order go be banana. Go be ajunata before I nata. I talk to him ego, military ego. That's how go gi. Just give her time. Go be nke nwanyị zinata. Obakwa ka obi nke nwoke zinata. Go be nwanyị zinata. Join up in America. Yes, that's America for you. I 3 days. Maybe I better show you zinata go say, "Eh, obi zinata." Amazi here maybe akpuku no court. That's not divorce. They were no ga ahụ nye nwanyị. Obu no ka nwe achute ya aka. Gwa gị how many kilometers of gwa gị how many go see kilometers ebe man bịa near that house again. Man ji anya go hụ no ga ahụ again. Na bed ga ahụ eagle 20 years ago. Nwanyị ahụ ga-abịa kpọta nwoke na-arị ya n'elu bed ahụ because achụtego gị aka chute miles away. So ona abụọzi nke gị anywhere like a lot of people in America about the homeless. You get me? So here not responsible for that boy. I will not that boy. I know. When you was Njaka can stop that boy because that boy
oh yeah knows you. Maka ntị anyị echi. Akara ọkụ.
Okay. Onye na-ayọ ka ayọ ka ejide Ogechi ka that boy nweta onwe ya. Onye mụ na-ekwu ejide Ogechi ka the boy nweta onwe ya. Onye nkwu.
Enigwe ya eme ebere nke ka mma ya eme ndị uche Chukwu ya eme. I strongly believe.
Onwe elu a na-atụ ogo fọrọ asị onye ji ihe nweta wunye aka elu aka otu nwazi m aka gee ntị asị m Chineke ma aka egburu onye a ka ebechi aka ka onye nweta were ihe ya so ka ebeji aka Ogechi ka dabụ onwe freedom ya nọdịgo na Nigeria for 1 year
ka ọ bụ ya anyị na-afụ na maka ọ na-akọ na Nigeria ọnụ mana ọ bụ na ebe about 3 weeks to 1 month ọ yọ na-ego fish like 10 times which means na ndị nọ Nigeria na ọ kwesịrị akwere ha ugwu ma ọ na-achị ya
mgbe wọchị ya enwere ọkọ na sese ọ na-akọ mgbe ọ na America ka m gwa gị why people were listening to her they thought she has money.
You tell me here sorry enwere fake dollar na America mmadụ ede nweta fake dollar na present asịrị ya anọ na na-ere fake dollar na shop akpara afa a na-ere fake dollar.
No, fake dollar dịkwa na America
because afụta m Ogechi na ego ewu na ego ji akwụ ụgwọ rent hotel na tinye nọkwa mana onye a na-asa na o nwere ụlọ everywhere evere ụlọ nke a nwee investment nke a dewe $10,000 na oricha ya oje weta ọzọ and na di ya so n'okwu a ọ pụtara na ihe niile abụ asị ka a na-agwa anyị eji edisive ndị mmadụ.
Ihe a bụ asị. Yeah, let me tell you one thing. Ego ahụ sị not 10 million ka 10 ya ego ahụ karịa more than $5,000.
A na-egote na Amazon.
Fake dollar. Or ka we na ka we the original but ka do $5,000.
Onye eze nọkwa ebe ka ọ confirm go na a na-ere ya na Amazon. Fake dollar.
Ya bụ ma enwe fake dollar na America ọ dị adị because ị ga stop ga-ego ihe enye ha big domination ha ga-enye ya where they make nene before they will assign to give you your change. Do you understand?
Wow.
Ị ga na ganye ha cash they will look at it before they will sign you this thing. So Maryam Justice ya biko na nsị na onwe nwa afọ Igbo nọ here na ọ na-ahị ya biko Ogechi for 1 year ka di ahụ nwere onwe ya onye m ọkụ adị m ezi ihu ama m ihu mapụta ọkụ maka nkwụ ekọ Ogechi wegata ihu ma mebi ọ ga-efe na nna egwu ya na anya ebe a ya na ya bụ Miss Justice biko madam jide m Ogechi for 1 year ka that boy nwere onwe ya onye mụọ na-ayọ ịma ka ị ga-esi jide ya 1 year jide ebe ahụ ka this boy nweta onwe ya because that boy nọ in hell.
This one you get mental intimidation. A warrior now, Bamba. I don't know that I cannot go warrior.
Okogan,
I
not warrior.
love that man.
Okogan.
Was a what I cannot go away you to by conclusion. By Kamwa. Can I go to them? Never gonna. Ever gonna.
Oh, go back to the. Okay. Young way, well, your bonab. Ogechi, her apology is not apology. Does she have a repentance in her heart? No. Unu higher, Maryam Justice, 100 years higher. Ogechi, that is, you know, maybe 20 or 2 million. Because Oto in America, when call give more. Seba, then I got caught. I got me here, but young one. I'm a bumia. Because all my money. That's I won't go out now. Then we free lawyers. You invite, they'll come and pick her up and serve her paper. Court. On the Omer proof, you know, Omeria. Or one over the Gidonia. They got more money up to take us. Only in America, so no, around me and wine. And you cook wine. Because to America, because I'm around one wine. Eh? I got to know about India. I saw boy, I was one card. Each one up here, and there's somebody else. I saw boy, where there's one open no set camera, even around one wine. You see that dirty things? I can just say, KGD. What a piece of name. You know, did that 1 year. You see, draw you. Now, correction center call Ghana.
Oga, you can you.
Can't correct
that way. You went to jogging. Kezikwan ka Ogechi wee bịa ị na-suggest si ka o je banye Calabar Waters ụgbọ mmikwan
Again, one thing, onye Njaka egbu onwe ya ada emeri ebere as I nụrụ onye ya ma na ọnwụgo get your peace in the internet. Peace catch your internet. Okay, now you're madam here. That shows that the whole allegation is on the man passing. Allegation is Maryam Justice passing. Then in J Park passing. In Bondi over Maya Ramuanike, Maya na somewhere video we are passing. Because one of Poku Maryam Justice, so now Maragas now. And I want you to Facebook
and action. I found white. I said to her anything I beg.
Yeah, what I beg it now. I like peace. So much like peace. I am Chibo Ogu and I catch my son name. Let me tell you one thing. Ogechi brought the type and soft. Get with two type of human being. I will tell you myself now. Okay, or more. I were Babakute Imam Natania. Mani were on why or Mubiko, even Nyegi Chero. Ogechi brought the type and a Jimwayo Agaku. Ogechibu. Nyawia bomb battle. Even don't allow her to come to your house for fight. Even many of you are happy about that. Okuna Saya. Unakosi Unwa Guia on us.
You're right.
You know, I am the only thing. Ogechi kwesịrị ka hapụ ya on ọba na prison ahụ ọ chọrọ maka ebe o kwesịrị ịnọ ka brain ya because one day mbịa on life mbịa pịa ya ka mara how many hours ya she was around 8 hours.
Okay, ya bụ that na-agwa na ọ 8 hours ọ sị mba o siche o wee check is wefu na ya ka ọ na 8 hours. See that 66
I'm telling you, just after I'm Pierre, how many hours on. So that shows that now only Koshikoshi there is so Koshikoshi and we could see treat the Koshikoshi very well. We could see treat ya. Obo ma fuck up ya. All the opposite treat ya so that because when then chokan liberation. Eh man, urundenze banadroma urundenze banadroma. So anadroma because this boy nwere onwe ya. Ogechi not good in Nigeria. Yes, I'm I'm solidating for that boy. Because I watch you body count that boy. The last day in the area on a bed with her. Go see Baraka Buche and I nearly cried. He turned it, that's what turned to him beside because I go see that now. When I said I'm shy. I'm shy like he wants to turn like Lele. He just not turn to be that way. Because that
conversation. Angry face ka Antonio Jumwa Terry, you are not angry face, one and can block where now. Oh, not
Na kefura block no onye obuna alapu aka abia no lozi oma Chineke.
Let me tell you one thing. Ya block. Oche block ya obuno ya block ne. Happy go gewe ho na ege. Onwere oche ti angry face, oche ti replace. I don't give a
Most important thing no take the
and I him to the truth. So allow the person to even allow the person to insult. All that right to insult. Let her. You ever know get in a bomb mad in your or call him mad fine and good. But I give him mad in your mirror. Then, if you're going to defraud you, then you defraud the Chandi, the IPOB. You defraud Waha. Then, if you're meet Jan and the Carlo, you want to know this woman, I call the Carlo. That woman, that because let me tell you about Nandi Carlo. More than Nandi Carlo, can one equal. I'm telling you, oh man, I want to. There's a lot of things to teach, right? Even though you don't like him or anything, but go make it. So whoever that is not Nandi Carlo, I feel no how much I. Mokutere, I pursue with spokesman. I pursue with spokesman in our life.
So what?
Oh, what anybody this lady about it? Okay, email that apologize to Kayabu Reverend Mbaka. In a Reverend Mbaka apology, that shows what is said about him is a lie. Because if not those people there for him, just saying in church, and every that is
Okuka.
Let me tell you one thing on him. He wants to kill the career of any person of Ilobagote or kill the career now.
Oh, wow.
Because this in a hotel, now they use spam in the mud. I got a mail. When I like it, I'm telling you.
If I went to a whole senator of the federal republic.
In a check one, I wouldn't find your ban on Nigeria. Didn't do. If
Obia cover ya na Nnewi we na emere arrest na Nnewi onye kparịrị Ifeanya the same ezugo na bamba na eburu Ifeanya wee je na church ọrụrụ fuziri Ogechi na akpọ ya ọkarịsị ya chai na wow
get iwatch kwa ezugo no ko si akọ akụkọ ị ga-ahụ na ọ dị ka ozuchara
agụ
imam blem wale mana Nigeria anya na nsogbu dị n'obodo a
ịchọrọ ka akụzi ahụ hapụ ị na-enye ego.
Wow. Akara ọkụ enwere video ịchọ ka m play because ka mara ma bụrụ na be m play nwere any necessary for it.
Onwe video enwe play na I dey follow cover for some time now.
Ngwa can Nazia na ban na 15 minutes. I will be right back.
Thank you very much.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like and comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section, subscribe on this video, share. Thank you for watching.